Anytime I have them vibe, yeah, either something big happen. Saying whether you want to put good at beer, but I just feel a vibe, yeah. I always feel a vibe, yeah. And then when I have Phoenix now, when I go through my email, I see a video coming, like an email coming. I go expose you. I need $3 million now before the new year kick in. So $3 million, expose me. So I'm laugh. I'm click on the video. Yo, man, it's not easy, you know. It's not easy. When I click on the video, it's a girl I used to chat to record. Like she have a camera in her room and she record it, dog. Sir? And apparently, I don't know what happened now. She want $3 million. But me not paying a $3 million. So I make sure I do that video before them put it out, because them say them will put it out. And me have piece of the video too. When me I go put out. I know for now about me, I say, yo, oh, you say I rasta, I got dread. No, I had dread long time. Footer. Wait. All of the website them, but yo, I know never beat me bad. Because I always speak certain things. But if you understand the more time a man talk certain things, he not necessarily do it, you know? So, I know. I have a $3 million, and I guess 2020 is a year where something where we have eaten I come out. So, I guess it's my time. So, all of the people them out there, I make sure I tell you now, say, this is going to happen. And I go put out a piece of the video like maybe half an hour. I just want everybody share this so everybody see it. Saying, girl, I do something in the video, and me, I do something. Saying, no, after this, good have to go turn off my PHR. Because I know I'm not going to share already. But before I make them get it off and them rare, I just rare. I could have lied about the video, you know. Because some of the angle them not really clear in it. But I not tell no lie. Because once I tell lie, it will go even worse. See? Yeah, I'm looking at the video. And me I do the things them. And she I do the things them. So I know the repercussions. Anyway, we share the video. And why you forget? It's running, you eat fish?
What kind of fish?
Why fear the fish?
Of course we eat fish.
But that
fish eating is in the
best say but have eaten when you have practice of the fish.
Eating is in the Bible and it is in the dictionary.
Oh boy. Greetings, viewers and subs. So you know see what go on. You know what I mean? I-Octane come out and, you know what I mean, admitting to eating vagina. And there I come out a rub him beard and him face and I laugh and all them stuff there. You know what I mean? I claims that the person want 3 mil from him or else the video is going to be released. Well, you will me I say. I mean, me no business what I do with female, that a female, you know what I mean? And then think they right now, mankind look past and think they right now when me I see, you see me? Yeah man, amongst ones and ones, man, I look past and think they when me I see I go on a yard and everywhere, brother. Yeah. Right now, most of the man is once I know, batty man, fiddle with and then think they, you see me? The man then just look aside with that, brother. Yeah. So it don't make no sense you hide what you do nowadays. So I-Octane have to come up front as the big 2021, you know what I mean, top pick contestant for the year. Come out admitting to some sexual act in a video. You know what I mean? Boy, I-Octane, that don't look good, me I tell you the truth. Enough people I say boy Rasta, but me never pre as no Rasta I-Octane. You know what I mean? You was like a L.A. Lewis in my eyes. You're just a man who sing good tune, but to me you fashion the lifestyle and you run down everything. They never did them type of man there to me. So me not really mad at you for nothing like that. You see me? You have fashion dread everywhere go yeah. And every man will locks a Rasta. But me hear you say a thing, brother. For all of we are Jamaican and me have to come speak. You say more time on everything where a man say in meaning. Come on, brother. So that means say you can't burn out baptism and your finger with man, brother. John no star I-Octane. You could become a low teen, my youth. Low teen fire right now blazing. Right now you ain't even blaze, you're out. You come and laugh like a joke thing. Yes, a joke for you, but other people are not joke, brother, because enough man still they out here hold certain firmity. You know what I mean? Not saying where them sexual act where you do nowadays or where you eat your vagina wrong, you know. Enough man I eat them vagina good, you know. And I do what they want to do, you know. But as for me, I had a man way out there, brother. There's enough of that man there, they hold it and now bow. Yeah, man, there's enough of that man out there hold it and now bow. So you just make it look away for them man, your yard man, them. When you are going to say that, so enough people are going to say, I tell you a long time, I tell you enough of them Jamaican, and say them, but they do it. A secret, them do it. Behind your back and hide and do it. Come on, brother. What you doing, I-Octane? And then after that, many of want to show other vid and going, but people no can go over other page and free it. Him come out and a state say it was a stunt. That's the most degrading and the most depreciating thing me ever hear, brother. You lose all ratings. Although me never have known fear, but people out there with rating. But if a stunt you really that pull that off and I say people base off of negativity and gravitate to negativity, yes. But as a man we are pre certain cancers to a vagina sucking you have to go to make that dep on your name, forget attention and claims that you was gonna release a music video so you want the attention to it. Come on, that you do forget that, brother. Just like how a girl like them say back then, Rasta. With a cargo video, stir it up for them see him in the barber shop and Bounty Killer burn him out. And he must say, you have to bust the stunt right now. And days for bust Rasta. Come like you go follow up and bust a stunt. You see me? And boy, I don't know. I know you come out and I say, you set it up too. It's a stunt to set up. Yeah, it was a real. You never eat the vagina. You just put out that forget the attention because a music video release. Whoa. Whoa. Damn, bro. That's low. So one next I come out a video with you I fuck Batty. Sorry my language people, but boy, just the thing where man can say. I know what you're doing, brother. I what you're saying. Yeah man. And you see in life, words for meditation. Yeah man. Evil prevail when good man sits and do nothing. Rasla, I'm out.